In this video, we'll show you how to check glossary warnings in the web editor. First, go to your document. Then click the filter icon on the right, just below the brief, notes, and instructions section. Select with glossary warnings. In this example, you can see that there are two segments with glossary warnings. Let's start with the first one. You can see that translation memory has a warning, because it should normally be translated into French. However, in this segment, it's used to explain the abbreviation, so it doesn't need any correction. Now, let's look at the next segment, which has two warnings. First, check the source text. You'll see that AI translation needs to be corrected according to the glossary instructions. Next, let's check workflow. It should remain workflow, as it's commonly used in French today. So, the translated term needs to be updated. As you can see, once your glossary term is correctly translated, the highlight changes from orange to green. Corrections complete. We can confirm the document. But there's still one warning, so let's double check it first. This warning is for translation memory, which was intentionally left untranslated. That's fine. We can now confirm the document. That's it. I hope you found that checking glossary warnings in Redokun is easy. Feel free to share this video with your translators. If you have any questions, get in touch via support@redokun.com. Thanks for watching.